Okay guys, in this video I am nickel plating this 3D printed frogs I got from JLCPCB, which is a company that specializes in PCB electric boards, but it also does resin 3D printing and many other type of printing too. I'll be using the Caswell Electroless Nickel Plating solution and the 3D printed frogs. Now, I already got this one in the activator. I'll go ahead and take it out of the activator, drop it in the reducer, and then to the electroless nickel. As you can see, it's getting a pretty good coat of nickel already. Pretty good, pretty fast. Now I used the JLCPCB transparent resin.